Okay, this is so far the progress. I've taken it pretty much completely apart. I still have to do the brace plugs, clean up the ports. I don't know if you can see in there good. There's debris in there. The other one's a little cleaner, but there's still some debris in there. And pretty much all the way around, I have to knock the um, camshaft bearings out. This thing is getting totally disassembled. Um, so as you can see, the cylinders are a little bit dirty. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I don't know if it's picking up good, but that's part of cleaning and honing the engine. Is you can see there's that rust that I was talking about that I'm gonna have to hone down and see how how deep is gonna take of honing to get it cleared up, and then I'm gonna have to match the rest of the cylinders. So yeah, um, let me put you guys down real quick. I'll get the stuff and we'll get started.